Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this meditation, we will be exploring a practice of unconditional acceptance, helping us to feel love and compassion for ourselves exactly as we are. To begin this practice, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Straighten the spine. Let your shoulders fall, and let your hands rest where they are comfortable. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and then let yourself arrive in this moment by tuning into the earth beneath you. Feel into each part of your body that is in contact with the floor or seat you rest on, just noticing your connection to it. You might imagine as if there are invisible roots tethering you to the earth, holding you unconditionally in this time and space. Now gently let your awareness expand to consider the space around you, the air, the walls, the roof, and the sky. And then watch as the air passes through you as you breathe. As you breathe mindfully, you might also notice where tension is held in the body, softening any muscles as it feels safe and natural to do so. Continue to mind the gentle and graceful flow of the breath for a few minutes of silence now. In her book, Radical Acceptance, Tara Brach writes, "Radical acceptance is the willingness to experience ourselves and our life as it is. A moment of radical acceptance is a moment of genuine freedom." In any moment, we might find an opportunity to open up to ourselves with love and compassion, completely unconditional of whatever we might be feeling or experiencing. We can practice unconditional self-acceptance when we are feeling frustrated or angry, when we are feeling grief or sorrow, when we are feeling pride, joy, or radiance, or at any other moment in our lives. Unconditional acceptance is not an excuse for unkind or hurtful behavior, nor is it a substitute for growing in the ways we long to. It is simply a practice of noticing whatever thoughts, feelings, or sensations are present for us and tending to those with care and kindness. So often, we deny our raw experiences or judge it to be wrong or bad in some way. But in reference to radical acceptance, Brock writes, "It is the necessary antidote to years of neglecting ourselves, years of judging and treating ourselves harshly, years of rejecting this moment's experience." Accepting ourselves unconditionally is not a practice of making ourselves right either. It is simply a way of saying, I see what is here now, and what is here is okay. This quiet witnessing helps us to pause before reacting in habitual ways, giving us the time and space to consider how we will manage whatever our experience is. Take a moment now to come back into the body, watching as the breath creates a gentle opening and softening with each cycle. Let the brow soften, the belly relax, and then draw your attention to your heart, anchoring yourself in this loving center of your chest. Let each breath in fuel the fire of self-love and acceptance. And let each breath out help you to relax. Now notice what lives in your heart and mind in this moment. You might notice resistance, discomfort, sadness, confusion, peace, or anything else. As you notice what is here for you right now, see if you can simply let it be here, without judging it or condemning it. Even if you notice that judgment itself is here, you might silently acknowledge it by saying, I see you. I can see that you are here. It is okay. See if you can refrain from making what is here either right or wrong. Instead, simply witness what is present in your inner world, and then send what is here your love, kindness, and care. Soften with each exhalation any beliefs that suggest you are only good enough if you feel or think a certain way. Explore instead what it might be like to open your heart to the words, I accept myself unconditionally. I accept myself unconditionally. I accept myself unconditionally. Draw one or both hands to your heart now, holding them tenderly against the center of your chest. Take a moment to offer yourself a few words of kindness and gratitude. Come back to the gentle ebb and flow of your breath now, letting the mind soften and your attention return to the simplicity of this moment. Notice the earth beneath you, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes to the world. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.